University can sometimes feel daunting or overwhelming. You may not be sure what to do to increase your chances for success. Today we'll list 5 tips to help you. Welcome to another video from the Faculty of Arts at the University of Alberta. As always, we are located on the university's North Campus in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada in Treaty 6 territory. Treaty 6 is the homeland of the Cree, Nakota Sioux, Anishinaabe, Dene, Blackfoot, and Métis peoples. It is also home to many visitor and guest Indigenous peoples as well as settlers. Our first tip is time management. You build your own schedule, so give yourself time. Schedule breaks for eating, studying, and to decompress or relax. Next up is creating good study habits. University is different from high school. You will learn more information in a shorter period of time. The main rule is study until you know the information. That's how long it will take. There's no one method that works for every student, so try a variety. This could mean studying for 20 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break and then studying for another 20 minutes. It might mean word association. You could draw out the information, make lists. You can even try teaching the material to a friend or family member. Anything that works for you. As a bonus tip to this, just don't procrastinate. Avoiding assignments and studying until later is going to increase your stress level and decrease your chances of learning the material for future courses or assignments. Make friends and network. If you happen to be on campus, introduce yourself with one or more of the people sitting near you in class. You might make a friend. You can also get notes for one another if one of you is sick. If you are studying online, join a study group or online discussion for the course. Reach out to your peers. You can all help one another. You should also consider clubs or student groups. You do not need to be outgoing. There are hundreds of clubs and groups on campus. You can meet new students like yourself, which can help you make new friends. This also expands your network, so you can share tips for success with one another. Next tip is check-ins. Check in with yourself on your coursework to see how you're doing and see where you can make improvement. In first year, many of your courses have more assignments than their higher year counterparts. More assignments means each one is not worth very much. Depending on the course, you could have more opportunities to make mistakes and learn from them. If that first English assignment does not go so well, don't panic. Try to figure out what could have been done to improve. A good place to start is any feedback from your professor. If that is not enough, you can email your professor or chat with them during their office hours. You can use this new information to improve for the next assignment. Pay attention to your grades from all of your courses. Those grades can tell you what your strengths are, where you can improve, and what courses to avoid. You can use this information to decide if you want to add a second major, a minor, or if you want to change your minor or major. Remember, it's your degree, so you should graduate with something that you're happy with. Self-care. Remember to take care of yourself. Like we mentioned before, scheduling time for yourself is important. Schedule breaks for activities that you find relaxing or that help you decompress. This could be watching movies or television, reading, playing games, going for a run, chatting with friends, whatever you enjoy. We have many supports and groups on campus to help you succeed, so seek them out. Some examples are Center for Writers, the Arts Embedded Psychologist, and the Student Accessibility Center. There are a wide variety of staff and volunteers that can be reached either on campus or remotely to help you succeed. So take advantage of all the supports that are available to you so you can increase your chances for success. These are just some tips for success. Look forward to future videos to cover more tips and tricks for succeeding in university. If you have any questions, email us at arts.undergrad@ualberta.ca. Thank you and have a wonderful day.